I'll just do a couple of examples, and I think you'll get the gist of it after we do a couple. Okay, so the idea is if we have the same denominator all the way across the equation, all we have to do is set the numerators equal to 0, or equal to each other, sorry. And you can just get rid of the denominators. Does that make sense? We have, this side has a denominator of whatever we decide it's going to be, and this side we get the same denominator. Then to make the equation true, the numerators must be equal. Okay, the only caveat there is if we happen to get an answer such as -3, that won't work because -3 will make this function undefined. Okay, so we have to check them at the end against what we started with. But the idea is to get a common denominator first. So it helps sometimes to go ahead and factor. And then this factors to x plus 3, x minus 3. So what is our common denominator here? You're close, getting closer.
So the x squared plus
that's 1 times x minus 3. Okay, because this is missing an x plus 3 to have this denominator. This is missing an x plus 3. This is missing an x minus 3. So the common denominator is going to be x plus 3, x plus 3, x minus 3. Does everybody see that? Okay. So I'm going to have to multiply this by x minus 3. I'm going to have to multiply this by really x squared minus 9. Sorry. And then this one by x plus 3. Okay, so when I multiply this through, it becomes 4x squared minus 12x. When I multiply this through, be careful of this negative. It will become negative 2x squared plus 18. And then, what did I have this? Is this a minus? I think so. Oh, it's an equals. Equals, okay. And then when I multiply this through, 3x plus 9. Okay, and then my denominator is the same on the left as it is the right, so I don't even need to worry about it until the end when I need to check my solutions and make sure that they don't make the system undefined. So now I'm just going to combine like terms. I have negative 12x minus 3x. And I have 18 minus 9. Right? 2x squared minus 12x minus 3x is negative 15x. 18 minus 9, just to get everything over and equal to 0. Bottoms up. Can I do this one? 9 and 2, 6 and 3, 18 and 1. Okay, so I'm going to go back to this and just use the quadratic. Negative b squared minus 4ac all over 4. 15 squared minus 72 is 153. I'm done. So I don't have to worry about checking anything because this is going to be an irrational solution. but that's how we solve rational equations. Okay, so kind of combining the lesson on how to simplify rational equations or rational expressions, and now getting the denominator on both sides equal, setting the numerators equal. You want to do another one, or are you feeling okay with this? One more. Let's just do this bottom one. So easiest way to figure out what the common denominator needs to be is just a factor. So my common denominator is x times x plus 7 times x minus 3. So this is missing an x minus 3. This is missing an x plus 7. And this is missing an x. And it's x plus 7 over x plus 7, x over x, but that'll give me my numerator, right? X squared plus x minus 3x is minus 2x minus 3 plus x squared plus 2x plus 7x plus 14 x squared. My numerator is all the same now. Now I can simplify. These will just cancel. And I have x squared plus 7x plus 11. X squared plus 7x plus 11. So it's going to be another quadratic. (49 minus 44 is the square root of 5. And there it is. Okay. So I think there's a few in web work. I'll have to look. I'll look and see which ones they are. I don't think they were. Did you do any solving ones through number 28, or are you finished with 28? Are some of them equations?
There's a couple that said like solve, and I didn't really know what we were doing.
Okay, so this might be those questions, but I'll look and see.
I don't